Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to recall an email on Gmail. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So Gmail offers a feature called undo send that allows you to recall an email that you have just sent. Now here's how to do it. First is, now I'm already here at the Gmail. You should log into your account. Then on the upper right corner, which is the gear icon, press that and click on See All Settings. Now, scroll down to Undo Send section, which is the fifth option from the top. Now, you can see here and choose between 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds to select how long you want the undo send period to be. For example, let's just make it to 20 seconds. Then just click Save. Now, it's already saved. Now, once you have enabled to undo send feature, you can recall an email by following the steps. Now, you can compose an email. For example, let's have the recipient. Then just click send. Now it says here that the message is sent, then just press undo. Now you see that the sending is undone. So the email will be recalled and you'll be taken back to the compose window where you can make necessary changes before sending the email or discarding it. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!